Welcome back, quiz lovers. Today we're taking a nostalgic ride back to the swinging 60s with a classic car guessing game. Can you name these iconic automobiles that defined a generation? From sleek sports cars to timeless sedans, let's see if you can guess them all. But before we hit the road, make sure to subscribe to my channel and buckle up for a trip down memory lane. Can you guess this car? Ford Mustang, Dodge Challenger, Pontiac Firebird, or Chevrolet Nova? Ford Mustang, 1965. First generation of the iconic pony car. What model is this? Plymouth Roadrunner, Ford Torino, Chevrolet Camaro, or Dodge Charger? Chevrolet Camaro, 1967. Direct competition for the Ford Mustang. Recognize this classic? Fiat 500, Citroën 2CV, Volkswagen Beetle, or Mini Cooper? Volkswagen Beetle, 1960s. One of the best-selling cars worldwide. Can you name this beauty? Jaguar E-Type, Aston Martin DB5, Ferrari 275 GTB, or Porsche 356? Jaguar E-Type, 1961, a masterpiece of British engineering. Next question. Chevrolet Impala, Ford Galaxy, Mercury Cougar, or Dodge Charger? Dodge Charger, 1969, famous for its aggressive styling. Guess this luxury ride. Cadillac Eldorado, Bentley S3, Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, or Mercedes 300 SEL? Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow, 1965, monocoque chassis. Lamborghini Miura, Maserati Bora, Alfa Romeo 33. Stradale or Ferrari 250 GTO? Ferrari 250 GTO 1962, highest level of performance. Which European classic is this? Porsche 911, BMW 2002, Alfa Romeo Giulia, or Volvo P1800? Porsche 911 1964, one of the longest-running sports cars. What's this legendary off-roader? Jeep Wagoneer, Toyota Land Cruiser, Land Rover Series 2, or Ford Bronco? Land Rover Series 2, 1961, the world's most versatile vehicle. Spot this 1960s classic: Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, Plymouth Barracuda, Pontiac Bonneville, or Ford Thunderbird? Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, 1963, desirable Corvette. Can you name this American favorite? Ford Fairlane, Chevrolet Bel Air, Pontiac GTO, or Dodge Coronet? Pontiac GTO, 1964, helped define the muscle car era. Guess this Italian beauty. Ferrari Daytona, Lancia Stratos, Lamborghini Miura, or Maserati Ghibli? Lamborghini Miura, 1966. Set the standard for mid-engine supercars. What's this rare luxury sedan? Jaguar XJ, Mercedes-Benz 600, BMW E9, or Bentley T-Series? Mercedes-Benz 600, 1963, preferred by stars like Elvis Presley. What is your answer? Lotus Elan MG MGB, Triumph Spitfire, or Austin Mini Cooper? Austin Mini Cooper, 1961, British icon. Name this one. Dodge Dart, Oldsmobile Cutlass, Chevrolet Chevelle SS, or Buick Skylark? Chevrolet Chevelle SS, 1966, a powerful muscle car. What's this classic convertible? Ford Falcon, Lincoln Continental, Buick Riviera, or Mercury Monterey? Buick Riviera, 1963, known for its elegant sculpted design. Guess this French classic. Renault 4, Simca 1000, Citroën DS, or Peugeot 404? Citroën DS, ahead of its time in technology and design. Spot this 1960s powerhouse. Ferrari 330 P4, Ford GT40 Maserati Birdcage, or Shelby Cobra? Ford GT40 1966 defeated Ferrari at Le Mans. Another one. Toyota 2000 GT, Nissan Skyline, Honda S600, or Datsun 240Z? Toyota 2000 GT 1967, the first Japanese supercar. Can you name this elegant coupe? Alfa Romeo Montreal, Maserati Ghibli, Lamborghini Espada, or Ferrari 365 GTB? Maserati Ghibli 1967, a true Italian Grand Tourer. Choose your next challenge and don't forget to like and subscribe.